So this is really warm water. We're going to clean that glue off from the last build. We're going to build that scraper. I'm just going to wipe that down, get all the moisture off. And I'm just going to put a layer all the way around here on anything that it may lay down filament on. There, perfect. This file right here was our very first print. Oops, we don't want that one. It shows just PLA, so that's how we're going to read it. Let's go back. So you'll notice there are two scrapers. Right now, since this is our second print, and I'm not sure if I have enough PLA or a different type of PLA, we're going to go with this scraper. Because if you choose this one, I'll just show you. The letters, Bambu Lab, are in black PLA. The rest of it is the white PLA. We don't want that. We're just going to use the remaining amount of PLA we have, and that's the reason it takes a little less time, about 3 minutes less. So I'm going to select that one. And we'll go ahead and go print now. So we put the glue on. It's going to go through that same process. I won't bore you with the details, but we'll let it go through. We've got it contained. We're going to keep the door closed on this one. And then the next step, it'll go to cleaning the nozzle tip. And this is only like maybe 30 minutes after making our first print. This here. So we're going to let it go through its steps, and we're not going to do a time lapse on this one. I'll just show you the end product. So it just finished inspecting the first layer, and now it's starting again to put on the second layer. Just gonna kind of hold it down and get it under there. Good. So there's the handle. There we go. So there's that piece. And there's our little one. This is for the scraper. It says for scraper. So we're gonna use that to finish this build on the scraper. Place that in, press it down. Make sure I get that in there straight. Good. Perfect. Let's press that down really good. All right, so this blade will only go on one way because these are offset. And we'll take this piece because it's got two holes at the bottom. So in that box set, this is a 2, an H2, so it's a metric. All right, so what I did is I just ran those down just a little bit first, and then I'm gonna slide this into place. And again, like I said before, it's got 2 notches. You can only put that on one way, and then I'll tighten these down, and that'll secure that blade angle without digging in. So I've got to turn it around that way. It locks in. So if you had something metal, that would mount to it. But it just fits right in there.